Okay, so what we're going to be doing here is page 387, number 19a. Page 387, number 19a. I'm doing 19a because once you get 19a, 19b will be fairly straightforward. So what we know is that we have a rectangle here. Let's see if we can draw a rectangle. And the rectangle is ABCD. So there are the coordinates of A. Here are the coordinates of B, 2, 6, -9. C is unknown, and D has coordinates 3, Q, 8. So the first thing I'll say about this is when setting up a rectangle, you just want to make sure that your vertices are either going clockwise or counterclockwise. It doesn't matter which one. We're not drawing a scale diagram here, but if your points go A, B, C, D, it's not going to work. You won't get the right answer. So we're just going to set. I just wanted to make sure we get that set up. So I've got I'm going around my my rectangle in a cyclical fashion, and now we can start discussing some things. So what we do know is that if I were to create some vectors here, if I were to create a vector AB, and if I were to create a vector AD, I would know that these two vectors would be perpendicular to one another. So that's AB dot AD would be equal to 0. Now I just need to discuss what AB and AD are. So very quickly, AB will have components of 2 minus -1 is 3, 6 minus 2 is 4, -9 minus 3 is -12. AD has components of 3 minus -1 is 4, Q minus 2, 8 minus 3 is 5. So since I know that AB.AD will equal 0, I can set this up 3, 4, -12 dot 4 Q minus 2, 5 equals 0, or 12 plus 4 times Q minus 2 minus 60 equals 0. So 4 times Q minus 2 will equal 48. Q minus 2 equals 12. Q equals 14. So now I have a value for Q. I'm going to put this in up here. I know that D will then have coordinates of 3, 14, 8. Now, I want to get C. That means I want to start at D and then go in the direction of vector AB. I can say this is vector AB because they are opposite sides of a rectangle and they're going in the same direction and they'll have the same magnitude. I just want to start at D. I'm going to set this up using vectors. What I'll do is I'll just imagine my origin over here somewhere, and that I'll start from my origin O, and I'll go OD plus AB will equal OC. That's just vector addition. So I'll set this up. OC equals OD plus AB. So OC is going to equal 3, 14, 8 plus 3, 4, -12. So OC then has components 6, 18, -4. And since OC has components 6, 18, -4, I can then conclude that point C will have coordinates of 6, 18, -4. And that's the answer. Once you have that, 19b will go by, it will be a bit more straightforward. Hope you enjoyed that. Thank you.